Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am super happy and in love with these beautiful lamps from Lynnoland. This is a set of 2 lamps that will brighten any area in your home. So as mentioned, this comes with a set of 2, and these are a touch lamp, so they're super easy to operate. We opted to put these on our nightstands because often my husband would have only one light on his side and we would always forget to turn it off. The lamps are easy to use. They are super sensitive so that you can easily reach over and touch them and turn them off. Or it comes with a 3-way dimmable light bulb, which is a low, medium, and high setting. The lamps are really pretty. They are a matte black and they have a gray lampshade, and they're easy to put together. It comes with the light bulbs and it comes with the harp design of light bulb holder. So as you place the bulb in there, you'll just clamp that harp together and then place the lampshade right over it. I really also like these because you have an extra plug, a USB-C and a USB option. So you can plug in your phone or anything that might need charging at night, and you don't have to worry about running out of room or taking up too much room on your nightstand. Whether you're looking for a new lamp for your living room, bedroom, or even at your desk, these are a great option. They're simple yet very elegant looking and pretty, and it's so nice to be able to have that 3-way option from the LED bulb so you know that it's going to last you for quite some time. Beautiful lamps with a beautiful design. I'm sure you would really appreciate them in your home as well. And that's my point of view.